Hey everyone, and welcome to the Tech Talk TV. Today, I'm pulling back the curtain on the mighty Mini PC, those tiny powerhouses that are everywhere these days. If you're eyeing a Mini PC that can handle gaming, programming, or just about anything, check out the link in the description for some solid recommendations. And while you're here, hit that subscribe button for more tech goodness. Alright, let's get into it. So, what even is a Mini PC? Imagine squeezing all the guts of a full-blown desktop into something barely bigger than a paperback book. That's what these little machines are. They're a full computer, shrunk down, sometimes fanless, and always efficient. The appeal is obvious. They save a ton of space, are ridiculously portable, and in many cases, completely silent. But the question is, how do they manage that without turning into underpowered toys? Let's break down the magic under the hood. First up, the processor, the brain of the operation. Most Mini PCs use the same efficient low-power CPUs you'd find in laptops. I'm talking Intel's N series, Core i5s and i7s, or AMD Ryzen chips. These are built to give you snappy everyday performance without heating up your room. Next, RAM. Mini PCs use the same compact SO-DIMM modules as laptops, so you'll see 8, 16, sometimes even 32 gigs packed in. For storage, it's all about those tiny, lightning-fast M2 NVMe SSDs. Basically, it means crazy fast boot-ups and near-instant app launches. Some models let you add a 2.5-inch SSD or hard drive for extra space too. Cooling is where Mini PCs get clever. Many are fanless, using big heat sinks to quietly whisk away heat. The ones with fans, they're whisper quiet thanks to smart airflow design and efficient chips. Now you might be thinking, yeah, but what about plugging stuff in? Mini PCs don't disappoint. You get a solid lineup of ports, USB-A for your usual gear, USB-C for blazing speeds and even video output, HDMI and DisplayPort if you want dual monitors, plus Ethernet for hardcore internet speeds. Wireless? Of course, Wi-Fi 6 or 7 and Bluetooth built right in. This means you can use one as a silent home theater PC, a full-on workstation for coding or office work, or even for a bit of light gaming and content creation. For their size, their versatility is wild. So, who's a Mini PC actually for? If you're tight on space, love a minimalist desk, or want to easily move your setup from place to place, this is basically your dream machine. Mini PCs are proof that good things really do come in small packages. They're efficient, surprisingly powerful, and just plain cool. Alright, your turn. What do you think of Mini PCs? Have you got one, or are you thinking about it? Drop your thoughts in the comments. If you enjoyed this breakdown, smash that like button, subscribe for more tech talk, and ring the bell so you never miss a video. Thanks for hanging out, and I'll catch you in the next one.